All right, we got our trunk pan section back from sandblasting. Working on it, we gotta go through and clean up a few little edges there. Have to fabricate and make weld in, clean those up around through there, get it ready to put in. Did a pretty good job at the sandblaster. We'll just get it cleaned up and fix our edges there. Got a few little places on it, just gonna need some rust repair. And we'll get it all primered up and got our rear end out of the machine already. I dropped it, that's the one we're replacing. And we've already got our edges all cleaned up around there, got our rockers in. So as soon as we get our tailpiece trunk pan cleaned up, we'll get it installed and go from there. So there we are. Our trunk pan out of our donor car Rebel that we're getting ready to put in our machine car here. We've been going around, we got it out, cleaning up our edges. I've got all the metal off where we took it out of our donor car, cleaning it all up. And we got to do a little repair work there on that corner of the rail. So we're going to split that down right there and take that off. We'll keep you updated on that. If you don't follow us on a YouTube channel, make sure and subscribe to our channel so you can keep updated on it and follow the progress of repair of this 1970 Rebel machine. We're getting ready to put our trunk pan in it, prepping it, getting it ready to go. Took it out of a donor car and that needs a little repair. These things that you just can't find the pans to put in there. So what you find is donor cars and repair them and put them in as you go. So let's get back at it. We'll get it cleaned up there and tear it down. We'll come back and take a look at it.